Moiseni. Lelo nala msiamdilisha kubika ifintu pamo. Ngatwabika ifintu pamo to mtsungu tulalanda, we've made a set. So I'll be teaching how to order things in terms of colors. So in Bemba, colors are usually used to describe things. For example, clouds or vegetables. So as we're looking at the names of things, we'll be seeing that in Bemba, they actually refer to specific things. So we'll be mentioning the colors first in green, then we'll see how it looks, and there'll be an example of an object. So let's start. Green. Green is katapa, and there's a vegetable called katapa. Yellow is umunduntula, and the sun is yellow, so akasuba. And then black is ukufita. When it's night time in Bemba, we say nakufita. That means it's dark outside. And then amalasha yalifita. That means they are black. And then gray means mito. And then imito, for example, refers to the ashes after you burn coal. Or if we look at this elephant in the picture here, the elephant is gray in color. And then red means kashika. So for example, ama tomato yali kashika. That means the tomato is red. And then white means wuta. So teeth are white. I was trying to draw teeth here. So teeth, like ameno, yali wuta. That means your teeth are white. Blue is makumbi. Makumbi means clouds. And clouds, like if you see in this picture, clouds are blue. And then brown means kashkila. So if we look at this tree, the trunk is brown. Or if we look at soil in the compound, that soil is brown. So amalova yali kashkila. That means soil is brown. And then purple, it's pronounced the same way in Bemba, but it's just P-E-P-O. Because again, remember that in Bemba, we follow the vowels. So an eggplant here is purple, and the leaves are katapa. That means the leaves are green. And then orange, in Bemba, all that we change, we say orange. So orange ila monika kwatini orange, and then the leaves again are katapa. So now that we know all these colors together, we're going to now put things in sets. So twala vike fintu pamo after twalo le shaifyo yale monika ama color. So we make what is known as a collection of objects. So a set is a collection of objects. So twalo le shapa page pano, we'll see that there are things that are looking different and there are things that are looking the same depending on their color. So these fruits here, they are red in color and they are called raspberries. Eloi injinga ele monica red, and then the rose here is also looking red. So yonse pamukumo yale monica ifya akashika. So we say this is a set of red objects. Next, if we look at this picture, we will see yellow flowers, which are called sunflowers. And then we know that yellow is umuntuntula mchibemba. So ngatwalole shapali amalubaya yala monka kwati kala umuntuntula. And then these are also purple flowers. So purple mchibemba is just purple. So yonse amalubaya yale monika aya purple. Then next is watermelon, yellow kapinga. Kapinga in Bemba means grass. So these are all the same color. So yonse watermelon na kapinga yale monika kala katapa. Okay. And then gatwalo lesha amalubaya yonse yale monika white. White is kuvuta. So amalubaya yali vuta. And then picture ile langa makala ayeng. Imoni mo kuti tukata fingi pamkomo file monika pamkomo ifya kwata amakala ya psana. So yonze haya mtsungu, we call it highlighters. For example, ngana olembe chintu, if you ondembe le highlighters pano, ngandefo ya kubika nakala na imbi, kutinabika so hapa ni mbika highlighter. So hii lemon ka blue makumbi, hii green katapa, hii yellow munduntula na highlighter imbi pinki, hii monka kwati na ikashika. So